All right, so today we are making chicken legs and bacon Brussels sprouts. I get asked all the time, what do I cook to be keto and stay healthy? Well, honestly, I am not full keto. And honestly, since I've started drinking therapeutic ketones, I rarely cook. So dinner time has become such a questionable, what am I gonna make, just because I'm not hungry throughout the day. So tonight I've decided that I'm going to do something what my family loves, and that is chicken legs. And if you are on a budget, the chicken legs are a lot cheaper than the chicken breasts, so that will save you a little penny there. But what I do is I pull back the skin. My husband loves the skin, so I keep the skin on, and then for myself and my daughter, we don't like the skin, so we'll just pull it off and give it to him. But you still get the good flavor, you get all the yumminess from the skin. Now you can obviously eat the skin, it's perfectly fine on a keto diet. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use some butter, steak seasoning on them. It's really good. You can use lemon pepper. You can just do pepper and salt. You can do sugar-free barbecue sauce, however you like it. So as you can see, the skins are pulled back, and now I'm going to season them. All right, so now I have seasoned the chicken, and I've pulled the skin back up over it, and I have sprinkled the seasoning on top of the skin. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to rub the seasoning in, flip them over, re-season them, rub it in, and then they're going to be good to go. And they are pulled out of the oven. As you can see, they are starting to brown and pull away. Yep. So I believe they are done. And then here are our finished Brussels sprouts with the bacon and cheese. And then of course we have some baked beans, twice baked potatoes, and then cauliflower potatoes. And that is what is for dinner. Yum.